Stormy weather hang on tight as we enter a windy world of tropical storms. The nature display itself in many ways is one of its most impressive forms is a kind of storms known as a hurricanes, typhoon or cyclone. This powerful tropical cyclone. This These powerful weather events are formed on the tropical waters, which the spinning circular storms can become very numerous, enormous, stretch over 900 kilometers across. A accompanying wind can reach to the speeds of 320 more than 320 kilometers per hour. The storms also can reach a height of up to 15 kilometers. They spin surround a center called eye, which is a calm area with low wind speed. These storms reach shore. The gale force winds sometimes are strong enough to tear the trees out of the ground. The heavy rain and crash waves often cause the flooding and the tremendous damage to buildings. What is the difference between the hurricanes, typhoon and cyclones? The name depends on storm's location. When the tropical storms form in west north Pacific Ocean, they called typhoon. In South Pacific and Indian Ocean, they called cyclone. In Central and Eastern North Pacific and Atlantic, they called hurricanes. No matter which terms you use, these powerful storms all leave damage in their path.